interpreting linear expressions. Here's an example that I copied from Khan Academy. So Nadine is at an arcade. She has 18 tokens when she gets there. So she started with 18 tokens. That's how many she has when she gets there. Each game costs 3. And they're saying X represents the number of games that she's played. So we have to take this information and put it into an expression and match it here. So before we even look at what our options are, let's just try to build the equation already and then see if it's in the answers. So she starts with 18 tokens. That's what she starts with. And she's spending them on games. So really she's subtracting them from her total. She's subtracting 3 tokens, and X represents how many games. So she's subtracting 3 tokens for every game. So that's a pretty simple expression to represent that she comes in with 18 and she loses 3 for every game she played. So even if she plays, let's just say an example, she plays 2 games. So she comes in, she has 18 tokens, she plays 2 games. So really, it's 18 minus 6, which is 12. So she would be leaving with 12 tokens. We didn't need to do that. I just was kind of explaining that more so you understand where I got this from. So she has 18 tokens. She loses 3 for every game she plays. So let's see if that's in our options here. And it is here. So we know that that's one of our options, but it says that we have to choose 2. So that means that from these 4 remaining, there must be one that has a hidden value of this, but they're expressing it in a different way. So really what we have to do is go through these and just kind of point out if there's something we can do to kind of finish the equation or mathematically simplify it, and maybe it'll give us this value. So let's try doing the distributive property on this one. So we're going to be multiplying 3 by this and 3 by this. So that would give us 3 times 6 is 18. And then we have a minus 3 times x. 18 minus 3x, well that was pretty simple. That's the exact same as this. So that means our options A and B are the 2 choices. We have 2 that match exactly what we think it should be. There's not even really a point of going through these ones, but you can tell just by looking at it, you can't really manipulate this to make it become this. You can't do anything mathematically that hasn't already been done. It's simplified all the way. You can't make it become this one. But this one, we could manipulate it just by finishing it and simplifying it, and we found out that it was the same. So we won't even bother doing these. We know that the 2 options are A and B.